In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate TracFone TCL Flip 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you have acquired your TCL Flip 2 from TracFone, you will have to go through the activation process. This will be primarily done through their website, so visit a web browser on your computer or a phone and go to TracFone.com. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, visit their website. In here, click on the activate option at the top and you will see it here. Have your device handy and ready to get started. Pick the item that you want to activate below. So you have the option to activate a new phone or to keep your own phone. For this video, I'm going to assume that you've purchased a new phone, but of course, if you have a phone that you would like to keep, then you can choose this alternative option and follow through the instructions. It is very intuitive. If you choose new phone, this is what you are going to see. First, they are going to ask you about the phone number. Do you want a new phone number or do you want to transfer a number? Choose whichever one you prefer. Once again, I'm going to assume that you are going to be getting a new number and new phone altogether. After this is done, you will have the option here related to the SIM card. Do you want to use your physical or the embedded eSIM? For 99% of users, it is going to be physical SIM. And after you choose this, you will have to confirm the identification. We will need your device's IMEI or MEID or serial number to be able to identify it. So as you can see here, you can find these details on the red activation card that came with your device. So go to the box where the device arrived in and you should have a red activation card just like this one in the image. Then you just copy this code and you input it here. After you are done inputting the entirety of the code, double check everything that you've input, make sure that it is correct, agree to the terms and conditions, and then choose continue. Finally, before you are able to get this done, the last step is to create an account if you don't already have one. So either log in or create one using your email address, password, and a 4-digit security PIN. Then confirm that you are at least 16 years old or older, and finally the request will have been submitted. They are going to give you some last instructions here. Follow these steps to configure your device, so you turn it off and on again, make a call, and if it does not connect, wait a few minutes, reboot and repeat. And after the call is complete, text 411 to 611 and ask for your balance. You can also set up voicemail. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your TracFone TCL Flip 2, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, I would highly appreciate your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.